Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaica Public Service JPS is seeking approval to increase electricity bills by 3.2% monthly. The company says it has filed a rate review application with the Office of Utilities Regulation to recover costs related to investments in infrastructure, renewable energy support, and new technology. If approved, customers can expect to see increases by early 2020. JPS says the billing change could be lower or higher depending on the customer category. The rate review filing is done every 5 years and the last review was done in 2014. The central bank is reporting that Jamaica's net international reserves NIR declined in July. At the end of the month, the NIR was valued at $2.9 billion. It was down by 83 million US compared to June, and in July, the Jamaican dollar depreciated against the US currency, prompting 3 interventions by the central bank. It pumped 65 million US dollars into the market. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.48. The Canadian dollar $102.22, the pound $164.34, while the euro sells for $152.22. The JSE index gained 800 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 39 points. Among the winners, Palace Amusement, Lasca Manufacturing, Cygnus Credit Investments, Radio Jamaica, and Siboney Group. On the losing side, we had Pulse Investments, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Proven Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Derrimon Trading Company. And Sagicor Investments today listed its Class B ordinary shares for the Sagicor Financial Select Fund on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Chief Executive Officer of Sagicor Investments, Kevin Donaldson, says the listing is expected to simplify the investing process.
For Jamaicans that, hear that we have the best performing stock exchange and just never know how to participate, and they were daunted by how I know which company to pick, so we made it very simple. And this is what Select F meant.
He adds that Sagicor plans to introduce more listings which will provide additional options for investors.
First, in a long line of things that we're coming with. And we know we have added several new investors to the market, and we are looking forward to what is to come. And I'm here to announce today that we're not going to stop here. We know that there are not a lot of new participants in the market, and what we are coming with next in September is that we're going to spend time educating.
Sagicor Financial Select Fund will track the performance of the newly formed JSE Financial Index, which was launched on March 1. The index has 23 stocks, inclusive of financial, insurance, and microfinancing companies. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.